Hello everyone, myself Dr. Poonam Puri, Science Mistress, Government Senior Secondary School Uge, District Jalandhar City. I am presenting the lecture on equipments used in science laboratory. So first is beaker. Beaker is a glass container made up of glass. It is used for holding or measuring the small quantities of liquids. Flask. Flask is a glass container to store or heat liquid substances. There are two types of flask. Flat bottom flask, shown in the figure, used to store the material. Round bottom flask, used for heating the material. Erlenmeyer flask, also called conical flask. It is used for mixing of different solutions. Test tubes. Test tube is a small tube made up of glass. It is used to heat small quantities of liquids or mix different liquids. While heating in a test tube, keep the mouth of the test tube away from your face. Test tube holder. It is a wooden or plastic stand. It has holes and pegs. Holes are used to hold several test tubes. Pegs are used to place the washed test tubes for the water to drain out. Dropper. It is a pipette consisting of a small tube with a vacuum bulb at one end for drawing liquid in and releasing it a drop at a time. Wash bottle. A wash bottle is a squeeze bottle with a nozzle used to rinse various pieces of laboratory glassware such as test tubes and round bottom flasks. Wash bottles are sealed with a screw top lid. Graduated cylinder. It is used for measuring volumes of liquids. To get an accurate readings of the volume in the cylinder, it needs to be held at the eye level. Gas jar. It is a long cylindrical jar. It is used to collect gases. Trough and retort. Trough is a glass, bowl-shaped or rectangular container which is used to hold liquids. Retort is a glass apparatus which is used in distillation experiments. Filter paper. It is similar to blotting paper. It contains tiny pores to allow water to pass through. These pores do not allow particles of insoluble substances to go through them. Wire gauge. It is often placed on a tripod stand while heating substances. It helps to spread the flame uniformly. Tripod stand. It is made up of iron. It is used for supporting a glass apparatus while heating liquids and solid on them. China dish. It is made of porcelain material and is called porcelain dish. It is used to heat or evaporate liquid substances. Mortar and pestle. A mortar and pestle are two tools used with each other to mill or grind and mix substances. The mortar is bowl-shaped and used to hold the substances to be ground. Mortars have smooth rounded bottoms and wide mouths. The pestle is a stick used for pounding and grinding. Watch glass. It is used to evaporate a liquid from its solutions or to keep chemicals for use during experiments. Spatula is a spoon made up of glass or metal. It is used for transferring solids from one container to another. Tong. It is made up of steel or iron. They are used to hold hot apparatus. Funnel and separating funnel. It is made up of glass or plastic. It is used for filtering liquids and pouring liquids from one vessel to another. Delivery tube and glass rod. Delivery tube. These are thin hollow glass tubes of different shapes. They are used to pass gases from one container to another. Glass rod. It is used to stir liquids. Pipette. Pipette is a tube open at both ends. One end is tapered. It used to transfer small measured quantity of liquid from container to another. Capillary tube. A tube of small internal diameter holds liquid by capillary action. Thistle funnel. A thistle funnel, a laboratory glassware consisting of a shaft of tube with a reservoir and funnel-like section at the top. Thistle funnel are typically used by chemists to add liquid to an existing system or apparatus. Thistle funnels are used to add small volumes of liquid to an exact position. Bunsen burner is used to heat substances in laboratory. It is connected to a gas supply unit. It consists of three parts: the base, the burner tube, the air regulator. Spirit lamp. Spirit lamp has a glass or metallic base in it and has a wick. It is used for heating substances on a tripod stand. Clamp stand and beehive shelf. Clamp stand is used to hold flasks and other equipments firmly during experiments. Beehive shelf is a clay vessel used for collecting gases by the downward displacement of water. Thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a body. It is made up of glass and has markings. So there are two types: laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer, which are shown above in the figure. Thank you for your kind attention.